Good morning children. So recently we completed our HCF. Today we are going to discuss about the LCM, least common multiple. Before that, how to write the factors as an exponent form and how to write the exponent form in the short form. Okay, that I am going to explain. So that related to that, the sums are there in textbook page number 87. Okay, textbook page number 87, section 1 and section 2. Section 1, write the given factors as exponents. Okay, writing as exponents. It means, once look at the board everyone. See, I am writing here, after doing the prime factors, sometimes 2 repeated 5 times, sometimes 3 repeated 4 times, like that. The numbers which are repeated more time. Okay, see for example, I am writing 2. It is repeated 5 times. Okay. So, which number repeated here more times children? 2. I am writing 2 as a common. Because the number is only repeated more time. After that, how many times it repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I am writing 5 as a upper number. So, it means 2 to the power of 5. So, the 2 will be known as the base. What it will be? Base. And it will be called power of. Exponent number to the power of. Okay, 2 will be known as the base. And 5 will be known as the power of. For example, 4 into 4 into 4. This we have to write in the exponent form. So, which number repeated, that we have to write as a base. So, here the number 4 repeated. So, I am writing 4 as a base. How many times it repeated, that you have to write as an exponent or as a power of. So, how many times it repeated? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 times repeated. 4, how to read this number now? 4 to the power of 3. Okay, so in your textbook, it has given 5 and 2 also is there. So together numbers are there. If they give like that, how to write? So these numbers directly you can write in the textbook itself children. So 5 repeated. The first one I am doing for you, and remaining sums you have to do yourself. And 5 repeated 2 times and 2 repeated 4 times. So how to write in the exponent form? The first, which number has repeated first? 5. I am writing 5. How many times it is repeated? 2 times. So 5 as a base and 2 as an exponent. So how to read this? 5 to the power of 2. Or you can read as 5 square. Okay, square means 2. And what it will be? 5 square. It means 5 repeated 2 times. And next, into. Next, which number repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, which number repeated 4 times? 2 repeated 4 times. So, 2 have to write as a base, 4 as a power. So, 5 square or 5 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 4. Like that have to write. Okay? And remaining B, C, D have to do like that only in textbook page number 87. Okay, now second one, Roman number 2, they gave that write in the expanded form. So, they have given in the exponent form, that we have to convert into the expanded form. How to write? Once look at the board children, expanded form. Okay, first one, 3 to the power of 4. How to read this? 3 to the power of 4. So, how to write an expanded form? First, which number repeated? Which is the base number here? 3. How many times it is repeated? 4 times. It means 3 have to write 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That's all. This is known as expanded form. That's it. The number, how many times it is repeated, that we have to write as a multiple. Got it? So, this is known as an expanded form. Okay, now Roman number 3, LCM by listing multiples is page number 87 only children. Textbook page number 87. Section 1, 2, 3. Section 1 and 2 directly you can do in the textbook itself. But section 3 have to do it in your maths notebook. Okay. So section 3, what he is asking? LCM by listing method. Okay. So how to do the LCM by listing method? First one, the sum is 10, 5, 15 is there. Okay, so 10, 5, 15. 10, 5, 15. In this all the three different numbers, what you have to do means write the first 10 multiples of each number. Okay, it means first 10 multiples. First 10 multiples means 10 table till 10 steps. 5 table 10 steps. And 12 table 10 steps have to write. Okay, that will be comes with the first 10 multiples. Okay, so I am writing now for the 10, first 10 multiples. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. So these are the first 10 multiples of 10. Okay. So these are the first 10 multiples of 10. Next 5. 5 also first 10 multiples have to write. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Over 10 multiple. Next 15. For 15 also first 10 multiples have to write. 10 or 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 fours are 45, and 15 fives are 75. So 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75. Okay, 15 sixes are 90, and 15 sevens are 105, 105, 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. So these are the first 10 multiples of 15. Now in this, what are commonly repeated numbers are there? What are the commonly repeated numbers that you have to write? Okay, the common multiples. The common multiples is equal to 10, it is repeated only in 5 and 10. In 15 it is not there. Okay, next, if you observe here, 30 repeated. 30, 30 and 30. Commonly it is repeated. Next, 60, 60, and if you continue here, 15 to 12 also we will be getting 60. Okay, so you can write 30, 60 as a common multiple. Okay, 30, 60. Because 15 it is repeated only 2 numbers, 10 also repeated only 2 numbers, in 3 it is not there. So in 10, 5, 15, 30 repeated 3 times and 60 also repeated 3 times. So the common multiples are 30 and 60. In this, which is the lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple is out of 30 and 60, which is the smallest one. Okay, write down. Lowest common multiple is equal to 30. Okay, like this, remaining sums in textbook page number 87, section 3 is there. that you have to complete in your classroom.